and a happy Friday. Welcome to a new vlog. I'm starting the vlog a little bit late. It's currently 10. You saw me just got finished, as well as having a nice cup of coffee. I'm actually just doing some work, commenting back on my Instagram as well as YouTube. I'm actually commenting back on the previous vlogs comments. You guys are so sweet. I really appreciate all of the love, and I'm loving that you are loving the vlogs, so I'm gonna keep doing them. I've decided that I'm also going to partake this year in Vlogmas. I won't be doing it every single day. I'll just be doing it as a weekly, like week 1, week 2, week 3 up until Christmas. I have so many things that I want to do with you, get decor inspiration, but for Christmas Day, how are we going to decorate the table? I'm also thinking of getting something for the dogs to wear on Christmas Day, or just to wear during the festive season. I have 2 advent calendars that I want to unbox with you. One is Avon and one is like a wax melt kind of thing that I can burn. So tonight we are going to have some platters. We already bought them. They're from Woolworths. I will definitely show you guys how we do that, how I kind of decorate the cheese board and everything like that. Just have a chill night, decompress after this week, because wow, it was intense. But yeah, I hope you are having a great day wherever you are, and again, I hope you enjoy this vlog. So I'm gonna take you along for today and maybe into next week. So this is gonna be quite a long vlog, so I hope you're excited. And a happy Monday to you. So this weekend I didn't vlog much. I think I ended the vlog off on Friday evening with a romantic evening, and this morning I took a nice long shower, washed my hair, so it's currently just air drying. So this is what my hair naturally looks like when it air dries. I always get questions on my hair. I just took off all of the bedding this morning, put fresh ones on. I'm thinking the theme of this video can be a little bit a refresh, because I want to go through my closet. I want to take out some items that I'm not really gravitating more towards. My style has changed so much over the year, over this year specifically. I'm very more into the neutrals and lace prints, and more just solid colors, and sticking to one, I want to say color theory or color theme. So less pinks and purples and things like that, and a little bit more beiges, browns, whites, grays, and a little bit more in that color theory. Go to my closet and I'm I don't know what to wear, I have nothing nice to wear, blah 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 blah. So I am changing it up, I'm switching it up. I got some items from my runway, which I showed on my Instagram. I'll share it with you a little bit later as well. But the reason why I'm also doing the wardrobe switch is because, not switch, but change, is not only did my style change, but I'm also kind of like on a, I don't want to say weight loss journey. It's more like a sustainable health journey where I choose better options, because and this is a little bit personal, I think, I really let myself go this year, and I was exercising and then I stopped, and then I started exercising again and then I stopped. If you work from home or if you have a desk job, you know that it's so difficult to move around. It's so difficult to kind of like make the right choice when it comes to eating lunch or eating breakfast or blah 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 blah. I'm not a really big breakfast person, so I usually like do like a brunch type of meal, so that would usually be like around about 12 p.m. In the afternoon, or like 11 a.m. in the mornings, where I kind of like eat my breakfast and lunch all together. So that would be like normal, you know, muesli with yogurt. But yeah, my xoxo is here. Let me go grab it and then I can show you guys what I got. If the filter is constantly changing, like I'm trying like new settings on my camera. Some baby plum tomatoes, really nice in like a salad or to snack on. And then I got ripe has avocados. These ones are not really like that ripe, they're still a bit firm, so I will just put them like in a drawer where it's nice and dark. Okay, and then I got the Nescafe unsweetened cappuccino, so it's just a blend of milk and coffee, no sugar, and I usually just have like one of these a day. It's kind of like either like my mid-morning pickup or like afternoon. Then just normal tomatoes for salad, chopped mixed mushrooms, English cucumber, snacking or either with breakfast. Then I got some chicken patties, like you can see it's like super affordable, just like normal chicken breast fillets, lettuce head and olive and canola oil, be well, vegan as well as egg and dairy free, good and low calories, and that is that. Okay, now that I look a little bit more presentable and a little bit more just, you know, put together, I wanted to show you the runway items that I got. So runway is not sponsored by this video or anything. Runway is basically like a website where you can find like all of your favorite brands, international, national. I think they have like over 500 brands. Yes. Where you can purchase like all of your items, clothing, homeware, shoes, makeup, hair care, body care, anything that you can think of, men, women, kids, on this website at a discounted price. So it's not like new items like what you would see in store or anything like that, but it is, you know, fairly new items, and they upload new items I think every single week. They have discounts on like Misguided, Woolworths, you know, so they really have like really great discounts and everything like that. So let me show you what I got. So it came in this box. Like I said, I didn't purchase a lot of products. So I got 3 clothing pieces and like 1 makeup product. So I got the Revlon Kiss Glow Lip Oil, just like a very beautiful peachy pink shade lip oil. So it's going to treat your lips, you're going to look lush and beautiful, and basically that. They include like a little this got ripped when I opened it. It's just a Black Friday deal. They have like up to 90% off. So they send you like a little invoice. So I saved over 634 rand. There you can see it. Over 634 rands. I got 4 items. So that was originally 130 rand, and I got it for 99 rand. Then I got a misguided ripped bodysuit. This is like a sandy, I want to say like a sandy creamy beige color. This I wanted to wear like underneath baggy jeans, and I will pop like a inspiration image. Like this is more like the style that I'm going for. And I got, this was originally 450 and I got it for 199. So less than 200 rand. And then I got another clothing item. So unfortunately it's in the washing. It's a square like strappy camisole from Woolworths, which was originally 160 rand and I got it for 69 rand. Like how insane, less than 70 rand. And then I got a pair of jeans also from Woolworths. So these are the black mom jeans, and the jeans were 530 rand and I got it for 269. So great deals every single day. I'm very, very happy with the purchase that I made. I'm definitely going to shop a little bit more of my kind of like wardrobe change switches on there. So my camera was flashing saying like, oh, your memory cards are almost full, so I guess I'm talking way too much. I'm going to make myself some brunch, and yeah, I'll show you guys what I do. The rest of the day is probably gonna film some content, edit some content, upload content. So yeah. Good morning guys, keeping with the theme of this vlog. So today I decided not to put on any makeup on my face. I actually also want to clean my brushes. They are so dirty. You won't even believe, like beauty blenders, literally like blush, foundation brushes, everything. I decided to put a nice vlog on and just wash my brushes, get them clean. I feel like there's nothing more like satisfying than washing your brushes. I'm gonna do that and take you along.
You know, I know you're making up the truth. Why can't I go before I lose my cool? I love you even if it's difficult. Don't worry just because I need to leave. Don't mean I'm sick of us, of you and me. I'm just not good at showing sympathy.
So it's the next day. We're continuing with this refresh vlog. So after I washed the brushes, I just kind of like place them to dry. So I place them upside down so all of the water and everything can just drip off onto the towel. That's kind of just like my brush, like makeup brush cleaning routine. So today we are focusing on sorting through all of the items, but I'm going to make myself a coffee to get motivation, put on some good like background music just to get me in the mood. We're going to start sorting through.
I'm not angry anymore, just a little bit let down. Just a little bit let down. I'm not angry anymore, just a little upset now. I'm just a little upset now.
I've uploaded all of the items on my Yaga store. Yaga, I'm not sure how you pronounce it. I am pretty much halfway through all of my items. I still have to go through my shoes, and then I also have to go through all of my skincare, all of my makeup. I will upload that on Yaga, so you can keep an eye out. I will leave a link of my Yaga store in the description down below if you are interested. As you've seen, I had like this navy and white striped dress, like a v-neck dress, and sometimes when I don't know kind of like what or how to style this or what I can wear with it, I will go onto Pinterest. Like, Pinterest is like a holy grail for me. Go onto Pinterest and just check like how I can style the item, you know, would it work? Because I do love stripes. I love navy and white stripes especially. It just felt like the shape of the dress, or I don't know, something like it doesn't appeal to me anymore, but I still love the style. So I'm gonna hold on to that for a little bit. Maybe I can make it like shorter, or I can make it into like a shirt or something. I will definitely let you know when the other items are on my Yaga store. I will leave it on my Instagram, so you can also follow me there if you don't already. And that is it for this vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and that you kind of also will take some inspiration from doing like a year-end refresh. I definitely feel a little bit lighter, I must say. Like, it is honestly like it's such a mind cleansing feeling that I have, if that is even a word, I'm not sure. But I definitely feel a little bit lighter, a little bit more organized. There's still some things that I do have to do, but in due time. And yes, like I said at the beginning of this vlog, I will be doing a vlogmas, so keep an eye out for that as well. And if you have watched up until then, you know the drill. Leave me some orange hearts. Honestly, every day reminded of your support and your love, and I truly do appreciate that. Let me know also. I'm thinking of doing a giveaway. I have so many makeup and like skincare products and just like bits and bobs that I've collected throughout the year, from like brands sending me doubles that I have, things that I've purchased myself that I was like, oh, you know what, maybe I'm not gonna like use this or wear this. So let me know, would you guys like a giveaway, like a Christmas almost festive thank you type of giveaway? And I will see you guys in a vlogmas week 1. Bye guys. Mwah. Sinky, are you ready for vlogmas? Are you ready for vlogmas?